In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure AC current. So I'm going to switch my tester on. Then I'm going to place it on 60A, meaning 60 amps. It's on 60 amps now, and I'm going to change it from DC to AC. Now it's on AC. So I'll be measuring the amperage of this fan, and we're going to get in it right now. Bear in mind that whenever you are measuring for AC current, never place the clamp over both wires when testing, because it's going to cancel each other out. That's why you're not getting any reading at all right now. So this is the amps that we get from this fan. So we are getting 0.53 amps. So this is the amperage that we are getting from the main wire. This is one of the main wire inside the panel. So it's 6.51 amps. That's the reading that we are getting.